Okay. Yeah, Grass Girl? What do you want to do today? Because I'm bored. I don't know. Well, wait. Is that the cameraman? Cameraman! No, this is the of your life. Oh, remember the script? The what? The script I gave you? Oh, yeah, the script. So, Friday, can we go on a date? Play date? Nope. Shopping date? Nope. Just one date, please. Well, okay. Let's just one date. Yay! Come on, let's go. Perfect. Go. To my favorite restaurant. I thought you would go to my favorite restaurant. The food there's too hot. It's made of lava. And I do not want to burn the smithereens. I'm Grass Girl, remember? Okay, let's go. So, okay. Weenie? Who wants to go to Weenie? It's the worst restaurant in the whole town, people say. It's the best restaurant in the whole town. They're just jealous their mom didn't let them go there. How do you know? My mom doesn't allow me to go out with you. Now she did. I do whatever I want. Okay, let's just wait for our table to fall from the sky. The what? Relax, it's normal in this restaurant. Dude, you're crazy. What? Wayne Kingdom is the best one in town. I thought it was Wienery. Whatever. Let's just wait for the table to fall out of the sky. Okay, you're freaking me out with that. Just stop saying that. Okay, but the table's really gotta fall for the sky. Stop saying that! Is it fireball by you? Okay, I'll stop. Boop, boop, boop-a-deep. Table gonna fall to the sky. 2 seconds. Oh my god. You hear that? Run! Oh my god. It's okay. It's part of the restaurant speed. It always does this. Oh, it hurts so bad. Well, at least our table's here. Let's wait for our waiter. So what are we talking about? Hello! I'm gonna be your waiter, Ducky the Duck. Ducky the Duck? That's crazy. I know, right? Crazy. So, what do you want to do? Get our food and get out of here. Okay! This is a date, yeah. Okay, let me just get your food. What do you like in the first place? I like the chicken nuggets. I like a Whopper. Okay, I will get you your chicken nuggets and you a Whopper. Here you are, your double-sized cheeseburger, and here is your French fries. My Grass Girl. This is very bad service. It is not. Well, actually, it is. What's wrong with your food? Is it too hot? Should I cool it down? No, it's just I wanted a Whopper. But I did here. I thought you wanted a double cheeseburger. I bet you asked for some French fries. Didn't you, Grass Girl? No, I asked for some chicken nuggets. This is bad service. Okay, I will get you a Whopper and chicken nuggets. Let me take this food. Whee! Okay, let's go. Whee! I'm gonna use my farting powers to make the food. I cracked out the food. Don't tell the customers that, okay? That's why I made the double-sided cheeseburger and the french fries too, okay? Here's your food. I'll just be over here waiting for you to ask me how much to pay. Okay. Okay. My Whopper. Yay, my chicken nuggets. see. How much you want to pay? Oh, you need to pay $1,000. That'll do. Sorry, but I only have 999. Do you have any grass girl? I have one penny. How will I do? 999? I'll take it. But since you're my friend, dude, we're not your friends. Anyway, since you're my friend, we're not your friends. Since you're my friend, you're not your friend. Because you're my... Because I like you and kind of a friend, you will work off. 1 hour cleaning shall do it. Okay, so like, okay, that will do everything. 1 hour of work shall pay $1,000. I'll just wait. Never! Ooh,